Hello, teacher. My name is Carolina Herrera. My final project is about discovery of the internet. Okay, the history of the internet dates back the development of communication networks. The idea of a computer network is created to allow general communication between the user of various computers is as much an technology development as it's the merger of existing network in infrastructure and telecommunications systems. The first document um, description of the social interaction that could um, by forest through the New World is continued in the city of Memorandums and written by G.C.R. and Liquor of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in August 1972, in the which Liquor analysis his concept of the new galaxy. And the main purpose of the internet is communication and to allow human beings to communicate and that does not they in the account space of borders. And the internet communication advanced in the all areas from video, chat, email, but data, music, document, books, image are the all exchange almost an type of visual and auditory communication that we can imagine. And the man finally found a way to share everything he wants with the rest of the world. Thank you for your attention.